So hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video again we are going to learn about Tezos coin. So what is Tezos all about and who created it? So let me tell you a brief introduction about it. Tezos is a coin which was created by former Morgan Stanley analyst and his name was Arthur Bridgman. And what is Tezos all about? It is a smart contract platform which does not involve in mining Tezos coin. Actually, it is coin that promotes themselves on major ideas of self-amendment and on chain governance, you can say. And it is same like Ethereum blockchain that hosts smart contracts. It allows the community to vote, improve, and flaws. Any token holder may delegate their voting rights to other in networks. So this is all about, and also let me tell you that this coin uses a generic network shell, which allows different transactions and consensus protocol to a blockchain needs to be compatible. So for more details, you can go to, I would refer to go to the official website and you can get all these details. So let's see the quick review and chart of Tezos. Actually, the current price is, you can see on the screen, and the graph is going upwards continuously, as you can see. And if you talk about the all-time high price, it was 8.27 cents, which was all-time high. Still, it is below 59% from the top high. But if you see, there are lots of development taking place in Tezos platform. As I will show you everything in this video, I will try to brief it everything. So let's see. And if you talk about the ROI, that is 617%. So what I understand, as per my personal analysis, what I understand, if you are cryptopian, you must have this project because there are lots of development taking place, and in upcoming days, there is huge scope where we can have better gain. So the last IDO which was launched on Tezos platform, that was Rocket, and fortunately I was also part of it. So here Rocket, I will show you. You can Rocket. This is a platform I will put in my description. If you have participated in IDO, you can stake it because staking they have already given time before 22nd August. You have to stake if you have coin, and this is the project GIF, which is going to launch on coming 28th. And this is the as you can see on the screen, current upcoming project. So what is GIF all about? You can go through. Actually, this is governance token for things of games related, and there is official website that is called Teztopia.io. You can see, and I will show you that this is the gaming platform and how you can go if you want to buy a plot on that. There are lots of plots for the gaming platform, and you can buy, and how you can connect your wallet, and you can go through it. So there are different projects which is coming in coming days. So what I understand, there is huge scope uh, where we can have a massive money, but still I would like to put a disclaimer here that this is none of any financial advice. So please do your research before taking any investment decision, because it's all about my personal experience, my personal prediction based on my previous experience. So this is the Teztopia interface for the Tezos upcoming game. You can see here. So the platform which shows it is very attractive, and I hope this is going to really be very useful, because now you can see the gaming trend is on high demand. So what I understand, there is huge scope in this platform. See, Teztopia, unfortunately, I have also participated in that. I have bought a plot in this because I know I'm one of the fond of gaming. So here you can create your IDs. If you don't have any account and if you want to buy a plot on marketplace, you have to create your ID first, and after creating ID you have to log in. Since I have already gone through, but I will show you a brief intro here. This is the blocks. Actually, there are different blocks. If you want to buy, you need to click on the marketplace, and there are certain blocks you can see as I'm scrolling down. So, and this is the main interface which is coming. So this is how it looks. it looks really very attractive and promising. So let's see. We don't know that when the game will launch, but still there is possibility that it will do more better. So this is how we can stake. You have once you connect with your wallet, it will show your entire quantity which you hold in your wallet. And you can there are different options of wallet like Spire, Temple wallet, Galleon, Kukai, you can say Airswap wallet. So it depends on you that which wallet you own. And once you connect it to wallet, it will ask for the password that you hold. You have just to unlock the wallet, and then you can, if you want, you can stake. There are many projects which are coming on Tezos platform, and if you want to trade, you can go to the Quipuswap, and this is one of the uh, platform where the trades are taking place for the Tezos. So there are three things. If you want to qualify for the IDOs, you need to stake your 25,000 minimum rocket coins. The last IDO which was launched actually. So there was some voting also going on for the participation in upcoming IDO. So let's see. So this is the platform. This is a very attractive platform on Teztopia. You see how there are different plots here, different blocks. So if you want to allow a block here, you have to buy it, and for that you need to spend Tezos. As you can see how nicely it has been designed, it looks really very promising. There are lots of block list here. So as per your affordability, you can go for it, and for that you must have Tezos in your wallet if you want to buy. For example, you can see here, this is block number 0169, and if you see there is a bid on that, and if you want, you should have the quantity of Tezos, and you can buy it from here. So really this is looking very nice. There are three things on top, as you can see: the dashboard, marketplace claim, and map explorer. So if you are participating in its NFTs like Calamint, you will be given a claim bonus. Since you see here, as you can see, this is a block. You can search here as per your wish. You can see someone has given a bid on 6969 Tezos. Here someone has given a bid on 1111 Tezos, 400 Tezos, 777 Tezos. If you want to buy it, you need to spend that. And here somebody has given his bid 3500 Tezos. That means $11,774. Here block number 0169, they have a bid of 3000 Tezos. That means $10,092. So this is how it looks. So if you also a gamer, and if you want, if you are looking for some promising project, I believe this is the best option. But still I'm not sure. This is none of any financial advice, so please do your research before taking any investment decision. So this is the rocket. I have already stacked it here, tier based stacking. So it will be locked for 30 days as per the team. So here, this is the Quipuswap. If you want to buy any Tezos project, for that you have to visit on this. I will put the link in my description, from where you can go and you can trade. You can connect your wallet. As you can see, for example, if I want to buy rocket, so I have to visit on Quipuswap, and you see this is the rocket, and what is the price currently. So if I am spending one Tezos, that how many rockets will I get, I will show it here. So if I type in one Tezos, I will get 288 Tezos. So this is how it works. For that you must have a wallet, Tezos based wallet, Tezos which supports Tezos platform. You can also connect with the MetaMask or Trust wallet, but you can only store there, but you cannot trade on that, because you must have a Tezos